All right, so we're going to figure out our weighted grades option right here. See, for the class that don't know, I can see what I see over there. It's recording what I'm doing, so to help someone like York or there's a bunch of people, Shindy and stuff. Okay, so I'm going to start over, and basically we're going to be calculating our score for classwork. Cerna over there told me that the classwork, when you find out, first you have to find out the total points earned over possible. Okay, and you should have written down that information beforehand. So the total points earned was what? Cerna, again, you said 87 over 106. Then we're going to calculate what our grade is within that category of classwork. And then who shouted that out? Someone? Oh, you shouted it out again? Okay, go. What is it? 82%. 82%. So within that classwork category, we are earning 82%. Well, remember, how much is classwork worth? 20%. 20%. So here's a tongue twister. We need to figure out 82% of 20. So 82%. So you have to take our percentage, and we want to figure out of the 20, because that's the chunk of the pie, and that's how much water we have in there. Because assuming that again is our cup. If it was at 100% before, we're not 100%, we're actually at 82. So what we're doing is taking the percentage, which is really 0.82, and we're going to multiply, because of is multiplying, by 20. My answer now is? 16.4. 16.4. So within the classwork category, I have 16.4 out of the 20 points that account for my final score. So far, so good? Yep. So let's do the math. From the homework category before, we were 14.6. From classwork, 16.4. So assuming I don't take any tests, what is my score? Combine those.
31.
31. 31. So that's kind of, so is the math making sense, I hope, guys? Yeah. So right now, at this point, our final grade is 31%. We know that our tests and quizzes are worth 60. So technically, if I got 100% on all my tests, I would get a 91%. Because all you're going to do is combine the two, right? You're just going to combine these two right here. Smiles? All right. Last category, tests.
307 over 400.
Someone shouted it out in Maku. What's up?
307 over 400.
307 over 400. Are you sure it's 400? I thought it was. Yeah. Did we take two quizzes again? Okay. So what is that score going to be? 76%. Oh, small error. 77%. Okay. Now we're going to again do the percentage of, and this time what is the test and quizzes worth? 60. So 0.77 times 60, which now equals 46.2. So my test and quizzes basically is 46.2 out of 60. I'm basically, by the way, for those people, remember I said your teachers previously, they gave you a piece of the puzzle? Well, this puzzle piece was proportions. Rates, ratios, and proportions. If you didn't notice. Rates, ratios, and proportions teach you A over B is equal to P over 100. Well, I give you that P, and basically we're figuring out the A over B, which is right there. Did you guys know this all connected?
Yeah.
Sweet. Tazik's smarter because of it now. Okay? All right. Here's the finale. Woohoo!
77.25.
We have test and quizzes, which is 46.2 plus, anyone?
31.
16.4. That was class. No, that was homework, right?
31.
That's
31.
Okay, I got a lot of chefs in the kitchen here. Oh, stop! I'm gonna go with who's my silent person? Nikita. Here we go.
Say 31.
Don't say 31. What's our homework one?
14.6.
Really? I thought that was our
Classwork is 16.4.
16.4. Oh, classwork is 16.4? My bad. So she was right. 14.6 plus our classwork one, which is
16.4.
sweet.
77.25%.
And then what was our final? We bring it all together. What's our final grade here? Sir, nah.
77.2.
77.2. Okay. Most parents, well, C gets grades, but I don't know about you guys.
My mom would like to.
Your mama wouldn't like C. Okay. Thanks for sharing. Okay. So this person would get a C. That's not a good-looking C. Hopefully that's not you. But C's are average. Means, hey, the good thing about an average grade is you understood the concept.
You said